Hello everyone, this is Leo from Landpack Machines. We are the packing and filling machine manufacturers with 18 years experience. Today, I would like to introduce our multi-lamp packing machines for you. This machine is for the four-side sealings, for the jelly bags. Also, we could do the stick bags. Yes, so let's see the machine's detail first. This one is our touchscreen. You could see it is from Siemens, and all the parameters we could set on the touchscreen. It is very easy operations, and here is the temperatures of the ceilings. Yes. And this part is our roofing structures. We install the roofings and feedings by the motors. Yes, and this part is our cold printer. Totally here has 6 cold printer, and the next part is our dosing system, our metric pump. You could see that in the top, we directly connect with your raw material, your liquid, and then the pump will be measuring and then filling into the bag. And this part is our vertical sealing part. And then the horizontal sealing part, and then the cutter. You could see that this is our 6 lamp packing machines, and the speed could reach around 150 to 180 per minute. Yes. Okay, so now let's see how the machine working. Okay, after watching the machine working video, if you have any questions, just contact us, contact Leo and Landpack. So see you next time. Bye bye.